Master Web Development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone, ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be covering data types and we'll be starting with the integer one. Now, integers in Rust are categorized into two parts: unsigned integer data types and signed integer types. The unsigned means you can only store values starting from 0 onwards, so no negative values. And signed integer types allows you to store values from negative ranges as well. Here, the notation that you see along with the keyword u specifies the number of bits. So here, U8 means it's able to store 8 bits. Similarly, 16 means 16 bits, and so on and so forth. Over here, signed integer also has a notation with I and then the size of the bits it's able to store. And here also you can see we have I8, I16, I32, I64. Then we have a specific one like U size and I size. And this basically depends on the kind of operating system we are on. So if it's a 32-bit, it will start from 0 to 2 to the power 32 minus 1 or 2 to the power 64 minus 1. And if it's I size, it's going to start from negative value and then the positive ones as shown over here. Now over here, you can see I have taken one example, let number, and I have specifically mentioned that it's of type U8, and then I have assigned a value 0. If you see this chart, this is proper and it's going to compile flawlessly. So let's go and do a cargo build first and see. This is working fine. And if I go over here and I say, okay, I want to store 256 to this U8. Now if I go and do a cargo build, you'll notice that it's not able to convert it, and what it is saying, the literal 256 does not fit into the type U8 because its range starts from 0 all the way to 255. And if I take this out, that's the data type notation from this value. And if I now go ahead and do a cargo build, it's able to compile. So by default, the data type that is assigned to this variable number is I32. So this is what is assigned by default to it. So if you're writing a program where you are already aware of the thing that how much data is required for a variable, then you can go ahead and specify the type. Like in this case, I was trying to do with U8. And if you do not have the idea, then you can go ahead with the default values or the larger ones as I have displayed over here, like I64 or I size.